Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be going from Barranquilla in Colombia to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And we're going for Carnival, so this is going to be a good one. Stick around all the way to the end, hit that like button, and let's jump into the video. Alright, Barranquilla Airport, let's go. We need to go to Viva Air. Next time, we are flying private. For now, we got the first row on Viva Air though. Holy wow, that sky looks straight out of a movie. This is Medellin Airport, welcome. Anybody missing a bar of soap? Hello darkness, my old friend. So, Copa Airlines essentially cancelled my ticket that I had booked for Andrea, which is ridiculous because I paid for it and it got taken from my account, and I called them, and essentially what they told me on the phone when I called them is that we've refunded your ticket. And I'm like, why have you refunded my ticket? And apparently the fraud department hit my card. So they sent me an email yesterday saying that, hey, there's a problem with your card. And I called them immediately and I said, what's the problem? What's going on? And they asked me to send them my passport as well as my credit card statement. I did. I sent them my passport as well as my credit card. I don't have a statement for that particular card because it is a virtual business card. So I sent them what I had of it. And essentially, when I called them again this morning, they told me that the ticket has been cancelled and the money refund has been processed. And I'm like, I don't want a refund. Give me another ticket. And they're like, well, we don't have any other tickets. We're all sold out. What? So you took my ticket and sold it? What? After trying really hard to reschedule the flight, it's just not happening. Looks like this is where I will part ways with her. Okay. Well, we are at the food court right now, and we are at JC Deliciosa. Trying to get some arepas, which is apparently a Colombian special. I didn't have any while I was here the whole time, so well, I had some. I didn't have any that I liked. Hopefully, I like these. So let's see how it turns out. These are the arepas that we have here.
Wait a minute!
My flight was delayed, and when I got to Bogota, my next connection was going to be really tight. Earlier that evening in Medellin, they had offered to book me on another flight, which is going earlier than this one, suspecting that this one might be delayed, but I chose to keep my original flight and spend that little bit amount of time I had left with Andrea, and then ugly cried at the airport, so that was fun. The guys just said that my connection is from 56, gate 56. There's a guy there with a paper. Where the f is 56? Okay, so I found a Avianca representative. They said go down the hall and take a left. Salidas Internacional. Let's go. Okay, that's why it has a different terminal. Because they have emigration here like they do in India. We are here, emigration life. 9 days. Okay, we've made it past. Now we gotta find gate 56. And I guess we still got some time because they're actually taking off only at 9:45. Let's find the gate and then, oh my god, boarding central. There's a gate full of people here. I'm gonna go ahead and say we got a couple minutes. I just got some fruits because they're refreshing, great, and light. Colombia was such a fun country. I am so glad I made this flight. Now, time for country number 7, Brazil. Welcome to Rio de Janeiro. Okay, customs, and we'll be out of here. I'm considering getting some duty-free liquor. It's not bad. 20 bucks, 30 bucks. This is all USD, by the way, guys. I'm gonna try this wine over here. It's the sparkling wine for $54 a bottle. Cheers. Okay, we got a quiche and a coffee for $29.50 Brazilian reals. Okay, this is what $29.50 will get you. Quiche and a coffee. So I am facing the same problem here that I faced in India, which is that cab drivers will accept your ride and then cancel it because they don't want to go to the destination. So the Uber driver has asked me to come up to the departures floor. Basically, the problem with Ubers here is that the local taxi companies want to shut them down. So I had to go to the departure level so that the taxis don't see us. I'm staying at the Selina hostel in Lapa. I got settled into my hostel. I am in bed C. This is home for the next couple of days. Well, I've reached my hostel and I tried to connect what I thought was the right plug, but turns out the hole is not big enough. It's the right configuration, the hole's just not big enough. So I gotta go buy some more adapter plugs. Alright, I'm changed here and ready to go. I got some laundry to do, and I'm being told that the laundry at Selina is gonna take a day and a half, and this is todo ropas, amigos. This is all I have. So we're gonna go find a public lavanderia first. That's agenda 1. And then we're gonna go get a local SIM card. That's agenda 2. Okay, self-service lavanderia. Oh my god, I have to do it myself. Right. That was a total of 42. Alright, here we are. Claro. Let's go get a SIM card. Alright, so I am getting the 12 GB for 1 month. To put that in context though, that's what locals get, 125 GB. and I get 12 as a foreigner. Okay, I was a little sweet to the guy and nice to him, so he gave me an additional 3 GB. So I got 15 GB for 30 days, and I paid 110, which is like 23 bucks. There's such thieves here in Brazil. I walked into the official Claro, which is the cell phone network store, and they want to sell me like 12 GB for 110 reals, when in actuality I can get 32 GB for something like what is it, 49 reals. And they literally want to give me this piece of paper that says this is the rate for foreigners, and I'm like, no. That was my first TikTok video that actually went viral and got 60-something thousand views. You should consider following. So this is the Centro Catedral Metropolitana. With a room capacity of 20,000 people, the Metropolitan Cathedral is one of the most Catholic monuments in Brazil. Its modern cone-shaped building is 75 meters high. Inaugurated in 1979, the cathedral also features the Sacred Art Museum and the archive of the Dionysian Curia. Wow, the energy in there was just absolutely fantastic. I definitely had to sit down there and do a little bit of a meditation session because it was beautiful. Got a quick little fridge magnet for a mom. We'll put 5 more up there. So I got 5 more reals. This thing here caught my eye. And chifa de ricotta, or whatever this is. So basically ricotta cheese, probably queijo de presunto. I'm thinking that's some kind of cheese. Chifa de carne, that's probably meat. I'm not sure what espinafre is. I'm not sure what frango is. Let's go for the espinafe de carne. 6, we'll put 6 up here. 6 reals for whatever this is. It's a little bit dry. I would like it a little bit more moist. It's flavorful. My friend Hector later told me that this esfija was indeed dry and horrible. And he also gave me recommendations of where to go. Thanks, Hector. Let's go see the marina. Welcome to Marina da Gloria. Looks like we got something being set up over here, perhaps for the carnival tomorrow. I hear it. I hear the crashing of the waves. There's something just so magical about the crashing of the waves on the beautiful sand. Here we are. Gorgeous. Picture perfect. Rio de Janeiro. Wow, the airport is so close. That is so beautiful. Okay, look what I see. A cable car. That's definitely something we're gonna have to do. Come to this local shop here to get some freshly squeezed orange juice. I'm getting the one for 3, 500 ml, the bigger one. So I met this other guy at the hostel, and he was telling me about how his phone was stolen too, and it was stolen straight from his pocket. So people can definitely steal from people's pockets. They can steal it straight from my hand too. Be careful, Kabir. Okay, I found an adapter. Yeah, I bought it for 20 bucks. 20 bucks, I was able to get it. You can see I'm being shy vlogging as well because I'm like holding my phone with both my hands and like grasping it. Let's try eating something over here. Communicating is definitely going to be a challenge here. We're getting maracuya. Okay, this is the sausage dish thing that I got. And this is agua de maracuya. So that meal put me back 20. Alright, picked up my laundry. Now let's go back to the hotel and take a shower.
Day 2.
I came to the shop here to buy some shampoo, and look what I found. Gatorade, but maracuya. Wow, yummy. Alright, got this total of $14.90. Alright, got some work done in the morning. Just took a nice shower after like 3 days. I just realized I feel fresh, ready to go out and attack the world. Probably gonna go find some food first. And we'll see what happens from there. Maybe I'll go to this place here. Okay, I managed to communicate that I needed a menu and that I wanted a Heineken beer. They had Heineken, Stella, and some other generic American brand beer. Man, I've barely touched the beer. I'm drunk. Okay, this is the tilapia. It looks like some kind of a rice salad with broccoli. And I'm so ready for this. Alright, this lunch comes in at 52.53. So I am part of this WhatsApp group called Rio Digital Nomads, which has like about 400 people in it from all over the world, because I can see their phone numbers on there. And the phone numbers are from London, from Europe, from different places in Latin America, from the US. And it's super cool because every time I need anything, I just post a text on there and there's like, you know, so many hundreds of people quickly ready to respond. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for that.
Later that same evening.
Alright, now we are making it over to Copacabana right now. I'm here with my buddy Will.
I'm in the house. I'm in the house.
I met Will back in Mayan Monkey last year in Mexico. This is why I love solo
We have a
travel.
video about that too, bro.
Yeah, we do. We got a video
We have
from
a
back
video
then.
about that. I'm in the house, guys.
We are here at the beach, going to check out what some of these things are. Welcome to Copacabana, my friends. This is the restaurant we were sitting at, literally on the beach. This place was really vibing with the live music and artists dancing as well. Cheers. Alright, we have said goodbye to the friends and the automatic opening lift here. And now we will be on our way to the Uber. That's cool. Okay, we have made it here for a midnight snack. And here we are getting for 8, which is ocho. Obrigado! Obrigado! Market is bustling here at night. It's like 11:30 p.m. Even right outside the hostel. Look at this. This is right outside the hostel. Quite a vibe going on here. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you know exactly when I post the next video. Bye!